in today's video, we're going to do a new home update. If you're new here, hubby and I just finally finished moving everything into our dream home. And we are starting to decorate, organize, and clean. So if you love all things new construction, DIY, home decor, that white, black, and gray aesthetic, please be sure to hit the subscribe button to join our Marsh Forever family. And if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. I don't know if this is your first time seeing my bald head in this video because I already have some stuff pre-recorded, but this is the head. This is the bald head, guys. I had a haircut for almost 3 years, I think, maybe almost 4 years. And then I decided to grow my hair because I wanted to try locks. But I don't like hair. I don't like hair on me. It's about to start getting hot. And I just love a bald head, okay? I love going to the beach and just getting in the water or getting in the pool and not have to worry about my hair. Like, I don't like to spend time doing my hair. I'm also very tender-headed. So this is the old new me. And so today's video, we're gonna be in the kitchen, living room, first floor area. Ooh, Lord, the DC accent, child. The first floor area to like really clean up some things. So let me show y'all what it's looking like because it's a hot mess. When I see people use it, like, oh, their house probably never looks like that. They probably make it messy to then film. No, it's real life. Especially after moving, because I'm usually type A, got stuff in lock, but I'm still trying to figure out where stuff go. Anyways, let me actually quickly throw something in the microwave for Erik so he can have his lunch, okay? Hold on. First of all, y'all, my husband can cook, okay? He made this sea bass rice at the bottom and broccoli. Oh my God, like, I'm so thankful for him. We had like a whole chat and I'm like, babe, I can't cook every night. Like, I just can't do it. That's not me anymore. I have responsibilities. And when I opened the fridge, I'm like, oh, what he make? And I was like, okay, presentation. Oh. Okay, presentation. So I'm excited about that. Let me get that before the dog eats. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so I'm about to taste Erik food. I had some rice. It's good. Let me try it again though. What you do to the rice? You season it? Put sauce over it?
Lemon butter.
Lemon butter, ain't tried it, okay. Let me try the sea bass. Okay, the sea bass, it's just so like supple. Yeah, this is bomb. Like, I'm cooking no more. But this is good. Oh my God, it's so like, delicate. It's so moist. Oh my goodness, you got a little sauce right there. Oh my God. Is it plant-based butter? Nellie's?
It was whatever was on the shelf.
It's plant-based butter.
All I wanna be, I know you, baby.
kitchen is not clean, my anxiety is terrible. So I'm gonna just show you a few things that we actually did in the kitchen just to make it a little bit more organized, because for example, I couldn't put my dishes away until I had a step done before that, which made it a little bit frustrating, but it was necessary. So let me show you guys what we did first. All right, so the first thing we did was we lined the cabinet drawers. That was super important for us because we want to protect our cabinets. In our last home, the cabinets were like rotted inside and some more, and it just looked like there were lots of leaks from under the sink, or she was putting wet cabinets in there, so we wet dishes in there, so we lined up everything. Even at the top, we lined these, and so I really didn't want to put anything away until everything was lined. But now that it's lined, it looks really, really good. We lined all the cabinets all the way around. We're missing a couple, so we're missing these two right here, these two down here, as well as this whole row here. And we also weren't able to line that, but there's nothing to put in there. We have nothing else to put in there, so it's actually fine. And Target ran out of the lining, so whenever they come back in stock, I'll just do those, even though nothing is going in there right now. This is going to be like a coffee station, so I don't even have my coffee supplies and stuff yet. So now what we're about to do is put up these pendant lights. All right, guys, so now we're gonna put up these pendant lights. They look like this. Let me pull it out the pack. Okay, Papa. They look like this. Love them. Oversized. They're really big. So my head versus this, they're really, really big. It's white in the inside. Do you want them white in the inside, or you want it black in the inside? Because I can spray paint that, because we got that flat black paint. White? Okay, so Eric wants to keep it white. He's drinking water, so you couldn't hear him. So I really wanted to do white, but I seen something that I really liked that were gold, and I was just gonna spray paint it black. We bought some black flat paint. And so I got these actually from Ikea, and I believe they were like, I want to say they were like 17 to 25 bucks, and I got 3 of them. Now, the ones I truly want are the all modern ones. I'll link those here. They are so nice, but they're expensive. They're like $150 each, right? So I thought, ooh, let me just get 2, because if you guys watch Dime Jackson, she has 3 pendant lights as well. But what they did was took the builder grade ones down, capped the one in the middle, and just did 2 oversized pendant on the ends, and it looks like perfect. They have like the nice cone ones. But we can't do that because our island, I think, is just larger, and they have it spaced out further. So if we just did 2 pendants and left the middle one blank, it would be like a gap of light. It would be a dark spot. It wouldn't cover the entire island. If we were to do that, we would have to get my dad to actually come and move the ones on the end inward so that it can cover the full island. So for right now, we're going to definitely do 3 pendants. Okay, but again, these are from Ikea. Let me see the name of them. I know I'm not gonna be able to pronounce it because baby, Ikea names are SKURUP. I can say that, SKURUP. And it's gonna look like this. So it kind of, I like this because I love the dome look. I really wanted the dome. Love the dome look. But I also like that it's gonna have this on top. Can you guys see that, this on top? So it kind of also gives the cone look. So you kind of get 2 in 1. Like, I love the cone look, but I know I wanted the dome look. So I kind of get 2 for 1. And it's everything is black. The only thing that's like, is that I really wanted the black stem part to be like a rod, so that it's straight and perfect. But of course I can't have it all, and the one from All Modern was gold. So what we're gonna do is get ready to put these up. So the trick to doing it at night, let me show you. So we're gonna turn the power off for the kitchen, right? But we have a circuit breaker downstairs, and it's different circuits. And so we're gonna turn the power off in the kitchen. And if the power in the living room still works because it's not connected, maybe, maybe not, we really don't know yet, we will plug our ring light up in the playroom and just bring the extension cord out so that we can still get some light and it still be safe, because we're definitely turning the circuit off so that we can be safe and there's no power going up there. Okay, so let's go ahead What are you laughing at, sir? Let's go ahead and get started. We hope that you enjoyed that. The pendant lights came out so good. We tried to show you guys how to actually do it in the video.
We did that.
We did that. It looks so good. And guys, these were so inexpensive. Again, these are the Ikea SKURUP pendant lights, I believe 15 inches. And they were $21.99. So we spent around 65 bucks for these 3 pendant lights, and they're oversized. And I hope you guys saw what I meant by it. If I would have took the middle one out, there would have been such a dead, blank, dark spot. Eric actually pointed that out, like, babe, it's going to be a dark spot if you do that. So I'm glad we listened to Eric and we did all 3. It was super inexpensive. I don't feel the need to buy the all modern ones anymore. Those was going to be, what, $150 each, I said? So we saved tons. So I just can't wait to see. We kind of like tested what our backsplash will look like. That looks good. And then we have to do our black handles, and it's gonna all tie together really well. So thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Peace. We love you.
That's all I need for you to believe in our family. We're Marsh Forever.